Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I made several videos I made on Snapgene, how to use Snapgene and how to make the primers using Snapgene, there are different features, how to use that. So I made several videos and different part. So if you would like to watch that video on Snapgene, I think you should watch that videos. So in this video, I'd like to show how to align any sequence with your desired any DNA sequence that you have already. So I would like to say that there are different tools offline and online to make the alignment, and that is the important online tool is NCBI. Most of the people they use NCBI for alignment purposes, but also there are offline tools. But in my opinion, the offline tools are better in case of the alignment compared to the online tools. And one of the effective and simplest tool is the Snapgene. You can make the alignment very easily in this way. So let's move on to the tutorial part. So here I want to show you that how to make alignment by using this Snapgene. So let's assume this you want to align one of your sequence with this sequence. Okay, so for that you have to click in the left side this one, show alignment. So for that you can also click this one. So before that I'd like to copy one fragment from here, and also I want to align that fragment part with the parent one. So copy top strand, and then for that go to tools and align copied sequence, and then click OK. Now you can see here your copied part is aligned with your parent sequence. Okay, but here you see there's one small window popped up, and here how many sequence you want to align, it will show here. If you want to see this kind of alignment, then you should click, otherwise you can just deselect this one. So this is the previous one, so I want to select only this one. So I want to say only one alignment. Okay, so this now it is showing only one alignment. So you see this is because this is I copied from this sequence, so it should be aligned 100%, no problem, right? So now I have to make some changes. For that, like by this way you can also detect any deletion mutation or addition mutation. So how you can detect it, I'll show you. So deselect it, and in this is the one of the mutation is there. Yes, no, not there. Click this one. Yeah, so you see here there is some additional fragment that I made it by myself to show you. So here is the additional fragment is present in your copied sequence, but that additional fragment is not present in your parent sequence. So that's what it is showing like this. So if you detect this kind of things, so it means like your the sequence that you want to get, so in that content there is some additional fragment that is not present in your parent strand. Okay, so this is the additional fragment you detected. And another one, I want to show you that how to make how to get the deleted mutation. So if you delete one part, for example, I want to show you this, so I have to delete this part directly from the keyboard. So delete a press paper. So now you will show that now you can see there that there are some parts it deleted. So it will show like dash dash dash. So how many dashes are here? So it's so like that is the deleted part. So this is if you detect this kind of part in your alignment region, so it means that this is the deletion mutation in your deletion, some fragments in your alignment result. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.